Jesus. What's up, traders? It's another beautiful day. Good to have you all. Tell me, how is your day moving for you? How has your day been? Oh my God, it's a beautiful day for real. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? This is a trading assembly. Where are you watching me from? I am trading binary options and we are on gold OTC chart. Let us see if we can execute. Currently the market is moving down, so let's see if we can get any sales in the day. You're the reason why I'm dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower. Oh, this is already moving well, guys. All right, our first trade for the day is already locked in. Raquel, good to see you. Bright for my success, good to see you. Godwin is already locked in. Good to have you guys. Tell me, how is your day moving for you? How is your day moving for you, honestly? How have you spent your day? You light me up inside like the 4th of July. Victoria, good to see ya. Yeah, let us get these buys. Let us lock in these buys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Traders, continue marking your attendance. Where are you watching from? Khan, good to see ya. You're here to learn. Of course, you are in the right place. We are also here to learn and also catching up as traders. Just looking. My strategy is simple: price action. So all entries I'm making, they are based on that. You light me up inside like the 4th of July. Whenever you're around, I always seem to smile. And people ask me how. Well, you're the reason why I'm dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower. La 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 la. Singing in the shower. The guy, good to see you. Traders, tell me, how have you spent your day? Do you have any traders that looked at their charts? Or you take a break for the markets on the weekends, then you just show up on Mondays? Someone tell me. Any traders that looked at their charts? Guys, actually, I had a great day. Oh my God. I had a very good day. I had some time. I spent some few times with my family. Oh, it was beautiful. It was really beautiful.
I hope you learn to make it on your own. And if you love yourself, just know you'll never be alone. I hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope
oh my God. Let us get another move.
The pretty girls that's pretty at everything. $1 million cribs and $1 million dreams. And when you get it all, just remember one thing. Remember one thing. That one man could change the world. That one man could change the world.
That is nice. That is nice. The guy was enjoying his profits today. I mean, as a trader, also securing your profits, and yeah, that is it. That is it. You have to take profits. You have to always secure your profits. I mean, and enjoy. You have to cruise, so that's nice. And to be honest, I'm also always enjoying my profits because why not? I mean, after being consistent and showing up, the next step is to withdraw and cruise. And it's always a good feeling. It's always a good feeling and very much fulfilling. It keeps you motivated.
I hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope it's the realest thing that you ever know.
Hope you get pretty girls are pretty and everything.
$1 million careers have $1 million dreams. And when you get it all, just remember one thing. Remember one thing. One man could change the world.
Nico, good to see you. Muhammad, good to have you all. This is a trading assembly. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question because why not? I'm starting to realize the freedom that comes with trading. Honestly, I mean, that was one of the reasons why I really locked in on trading. Trading is going to give you location freedom, financial freedom, and all forms of freedom. Yeah, that comes with trading. And at the end of the day, it's all about you waking up. I mean, you can wake up at any time and access the market. All you have to do is to just be consistent with your time. That is what you have to do. That's the beauty that comes with trading. So, Diga, you're just realizing. Yeah, you're just there. Hope you get the pretty cars are pretty and everything. $1 million
dreams. When you get it all, just remember one thing. Remember one thing.
One man could change the world.
One man can change the world.
All right, let's get more moves. I need more guys telling me how you spent your day. Actually, guys, one thing I love about Sundays, it can also be a day you're really looking in on the charts. I mean, you do some back testing with your strategy, so that when you're opening your Monday session, you're already anticipating where the market is most likely to head. You know what I'm talking about? You're already recharged. I mean, you can easily look at the charts and get something. Sundays can also be a great day to do that, back testing your strategy, testing out the price action in the market. I mean, no rush. It is you just. Yeah, so some days, my Sundays are like that. But today I was with fam. I was with my family and I really had a great time. That's all I can say. I had a great time. All right, guys, let's move. Let us move. We are adding more buys because why not? The market is still moving up. Yeah, the easiest way you can tell the valid market structure for an uptrend is the market continuously taking out the highs. And we all know after break of structure to the upside, you anticipate a pullback. Guys are crazy. So let us see if we can get any other move. Traders, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Welcome to the Trading Assembly. Tech Wizard, good to see you. William, good to see you. Oliga, good to see you. The freedom almost makes you feel guilty. I mean, sometimes it is really too much, but there's nothing like too much freedom. The freedom you get is you have all the time to do whatever you want. After, of course, milking from the market. Trading, you just pick. Like I always tell you guys, you do not have to trade the whole day. Honestly, you can pick a few hours in a day and you just lock in those few hours. Because me, that's what I normally do. I do not just trade throughout the entire day. I just pick a few hours, lock in, get what I want. I have all the time to do my other stuff. That's the beauty that comes with trading. Once you're locked in, you're gonna have freedom to do whatever you want.
Another one. We the best music.
Yo, he ain't messing with no average chick. Pop, pop. He got Nicky, he know that he hit the jackpot. Every baller tryna score, check them shot clocks. But I hit them with them prawn $8 blocks.
Alright, let us watch the current price section and get a move.
I be like Met. I want a dude that still kiss me when he mad. Type that caught me diamonds, he can miss me
with them bugs.
Baby, you should be up in my bed.
Sellers are onto something, guys. So let's see if they're gonna keep dropping the market down or not. Yeah, if you're trading with pure price action strategy, your mind has to currently be understanding the current market structure you're looking at. It's gonna be easier for you to execute. Nice. All my trades are locked in a plus. Let me be the one, baby, you deserve better. We got forever and ever.
Let me be the one, baby, do you mind? Oh, mind if I talk to you?
Guys, at this rate, I'm still anticipating structure is still bearish. But let us see. Of course, we are seeing bullish momentum coming in. So let's see if buyers are really gonna flip the market or not. Alright, they're already moving. They're already giving us moves. So let us. I should be the one, baby, you know mine. Girl, I know your body, know every brother.
We be going all night to the early. No, you know you wanna take off when you on my way. We gotta talk about this conversation. Baby, by the way I touch you, you know.
Okay, let us capitalize on these sales. Marco, good to see ya. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. We are always here to learn as we are catching up. You are so beautiful. Thank you, my dear. Yeah, thank you. Good to have you, Ivaz. Forever and ever.
Let me be the one, baby, you deserve better. You know. We got forever and ever. Let me be the one, baby, do you mind? I'ma do that flavor, drip the flavor, hit 2 pieces. I'ma keep my promise, never treat you like a groupie.
Calamari, dinner, gyro, sushi.
Still in the trap, but I like my bougie.
Guys, there's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, and it is pocket options. I am trading binary options. Yeah, currently we are on gold OTC chart. Oh my god, I really hate low momentum because this is what has exactly happened here. Let us get another move. We are based on until it's back in 05. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. Yeah. And guys, when it comes to trading, especially now if you're looking at trading in terms of capital, because I'm seeing someone asking about that, Christians, you have to really be executing your entries, or you have to pick your risk according to your account size. It doesn't matter the asset you're trading. What matters is your risk management. If you're really worried about that, it is risk management that matters. It's not the asset you're really trading. You can see me, I just keep on increasing my risk. As my account is growing, I start risking small because my account I start with a small amount. Then as my account is growing, that is how I also keep increasing. That is the first way you can really manage your risk. The other way you can really manage your risk is trading. When your account grows to your target, you withdraw, you leave something, and you go risk free. All those are ways of managing your risk. So when it comes to capital and everything, it is not the asset you're trading, it is risk management that matters in this manner. Let me hope that helps you, my friend.
He got Nicky, he know that he hit the jackpot. A baller trying to score, check them shots.
Stop the clock, it's amazing. You should see the way the light dances up your head.
A million colors of hazel.
Golden and red.
Yeah, it's really nice when you execute your entries and they go in your direction. It's the best feeling for any trader.
Reflected by the copy in your hand. My eyes are caught in your gaze over again.
We were love drunk, waiting on the miracle.
Trying to find ourselves in the winter.
So let's keep moving.
Like the world had disappeared. Oh, I won't be silent and I won't let go.
Guys, these are pullback entries, and you can see they are really locked in well. We caught on a very nice pullback here, and our trades are really locking in. Oh, I will hold on to the afterglow.
Oh, I will hold on to the afterglow.
Traders, tell me, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer taking continuation entries when you are in a trendy market, or you prefer taking pullback entries? What is your best? Nice.
This is a new dimension.
This is a level where we losing track of time.
I'm holding nothing against it, but you and I. We were love drunk, waiting on a miracle, trying to find ourselves in the winter snow. So alone in love, like the world had disappeared. Oh, I won't be
The guy, you prefer trading pullbacks? Honestly, when I was really starting out to trade, pullbacks used to really take me out so much. So when I was just starting out to trade, I would just wait for a pullback to get done. Then I trade a continuation. Currently, I can do both. I can trade both pullbacks and continuations because I mean, with experience, that's the beauty of locking in. With experience, your skill keeps on getting refined. But then guys, it was so crazy for me. I look back and I remember all my mistakes I used to make, and I'm glad I'm not making them anymore. Currently, I don't mind. All I wait for whenever I'm trading is a confirmation. So if I'm looking forward to taking a pullback entry, I'm going to wait for a confirmation that is giving me a pullback entry. If I'm going to take a continuation entry, it is the same thing. I just wait for confirmations, then I execute in the direction that I anticipate the market to go. CyberHub, you prefer continuation entries? Timing. Yeah, honestly, beginners, I would advise you to first consider taking continuation entries, because I really find it is easier to do continuation, because honestly, if the market has decided to really trend, it's really going to be giving you the moves all the time. Yeah, pullback entries, sometimes they can come for you. They need some serious time. But the more you keep on showing up, the more you keep on practicing, the better your trading skill get refined. And what used to be hard becomes a piece of cake. In the border, be free, come south in the border with me. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn, as also we are catching up. I mean, that's what traders do. We have to share our experience. I mean, from my experience, it's how we actually grow. I honestly learned a lot from fellow traders' experience, and it helped me really give me a certain level of confidence that I know it's not, if I'm taking losses, it wasn't only happening for me, to me, and that helped me not to give up, honestly. But sometimes if you are alone, you can be thinking trading is against you, but from a fellow trader to you, losses are part of this game. The key is to just have risk management, that you mind that your account doesn't get wiped out. That's the advantage of having risk management. You're not risking your entire account, so in case of a loss, you can easily have a comeback, because I mean, you're using risk management and your account is not all taken out. Malcolm, you're new. You're welcome. This is a trading assembly. We are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Yeah, catching up as traders, and of course, I be sharing my strategy, because why not? Because I want to. So you're asking about the indicators. Guys, I do not only execute based on indicators. Of course, I back up my analysis with price action. So the indicator you're seeing on the chart right now, it is Keltner channel, and I'm using it with its default setting. The analysis I do with Keltner channel is simple. I look out for breakouts, either to the top side or to the downside. If you get a breakout to the downside, you're going to start anticipating buyers, sellers in the market. Now, with price action as my strategy, what I always look out for is to confirm if if I'm seeing a breakout to the downside as market structure shifted bearish. Oh my god, damn, there was a lot of price rejection here. My trade is taken out. Let us get another move. I wanna take a picture. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, guys, like I was still talking about breakouts. So I confirm if I have seen a bearish market structure, or I confirm with a bearish candlestick pattern that is showing strong momentum. From there, I'm going to start thinking sellers are coming into the market, and I'll look forward to executing sell trades. The opposite is true for a breakout to the top side of the indicator. You anticipate buyers in the market, then you back it up with your strategy if you are a trader who prefers getting more confirmations to execute. Yeah, you wait for price action to shift bullish, then you start executing bullish entries. My baby girl, my baby, all the thing I need. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. The strategy I'm using, it's price action. One thing I can tell you, traders, whenever you're trading, try to keep things not so complicated for yourself. I'm speaking this from my own experience. I used to think that to get the best entries, you have to have a very sophisticated strategy. But actually, even if you keep it simple, you can still get the moves. All you have to do is to just align your strategy, your risk management with your trading psychology. We all know at the end of the day, even with the best strategy, you can still have problems with trading because your psychology is not in order. Same with risk management. Even with the best strategy, if you have no risk management, you may find yourself blowing your accounts and getting wiped out. So everything has to be aligning. That is the whole key. The time you get a balance of everything, trading will get much easier for you. Myself and I, 'cause I'm gonna miss you like a child miss the You guys are crazy.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. The path that I'm walking, I must go alone. I must take the baby steps till I'm full grown, full grown. Fairy tales don't always have a happy ending, do they? And I forsake the dark ahead if I stay.
You're welcome, Potter. You're welcome. That's why we are always here. Everything I'm sharing here, guys, it is very mechanical, something you can easily apply in your trading and you stop suffering. Because mostly it is from my own trading experience. These things I've really done, the mistakes I've done, I know. Because there's a point in my trade, the time I was really trading, and the problem was not that I didn't have the strategy, it was just discipline. And discipline in a way that I would be depositing on my account and I would want to be risking the entire account. So the times I really got wiped out from the market because of that was crazy. And like I always said, you once you're really tired with the losses and everything, that's when you're really going to know that, you know what, let me just look at discipline and see how it goes for me.
But it's time for me to go home. It's getting late, dark outside. Need to be with myself and center clarity, peace, serenity.
Oh my sellers, damn, that was really close. Okay, let's see if you can get another move. Why do you choose 15 seconds? Because I want to. I mean, it is that simple. But anyways, like I already said, when it comes to picking time frames that you prefer to use, you're supposed to pick something that you're really comfortable with. The same way you have said that you're really comfortable working with 5 seconds and 5 minutes, is the same way I really prefer trading with just 15 seconds. Nothing really hidden. I mean, the more you're really consistent with a time frame, the better you get at it. So you don't underestimate the power of being consistent with your setup. Yeah, I mean, it is sometimes it's just like trading, you have to keep things simple and you keep it simple. You don't have to have a sophisticated, complicated reason why you're doing certain things. All the indicators, guys, I'm using them with the default settings. I'm using them with the default setting. Let us capitalize on this move, guys. Yeah, trading is risky, but also you have to be willing to take on the risks. So if you see the move is most likely to work out for you, I mean, capitalize, don't hesitate. That is also key. At the end of the day, no risk, no Ferrari. We all know that. So some moves you gotta capitalize on them. How long did it take you? Guys, I already knew about price action. Like I always tell you, price action is one strategy that you can easily apply on all time frames and you can trade it on all assets. So really shifting from forex to binary, it really didn't take me a lot, because I mean, you're looking at the same. Of course, the charts are not exactly the same, but I mean, it's still a candlestick pattern chart. You know, the market moves with structure, and of course, market structure is, as long as you understand market structure and understand trends. So it really didn't take me so long actually to catch on. Yeah, that's the truth. It didn't take me long. I could easily catch on. I'm using Keltina channel and I'm using it with its default settings. My entries are not only based on the indicator, guys. I use the indicator and price action strategy. How do you define your entries? All right, guys, before you go down to getting an entry, you have to first understand the market condition you're dealing with. And that means you have to understand, am I dealing with an uptrend market? Am I dealing with a downtrend market? Am I dealing with a sideways market? If you really know the market you're really looking at, it's going to be easier for you to execute. The other thing I look out for is understanding the market structure. So if I'm looking at a bullish market or an uptrend, I have to be confirming that market structure is continuously taking out the highs and maintaining the lows. That is how the bullish trend moves. So when it comes to refining my entries, I'm looking forward to, if I'm taking a continuation trade in a bullish market, I have to see a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern that shows me strength. Then I can capitalize on that and execute. If I'm taking a pullback entry in a bullish market, I'm looking at a bearish pin bar at the top of the trend and the market has just taken out the high. That's how you really refine your entries. And it has to be continuous whenever you're trading with a strategy. You do not just look at it at the beginning of your trading session. Every time you're looking at your charts, you have to continuously be analyzing the recent price action you're really looking at. That's what trading is all about.
Reporting straight out of the slums.
Hey.
Got me some bitches and I change up how I come. And the drop when your pockets got mumps. These niggas believing in nothing. Right on my sack, you know I ain't dumb. Wherever I'm going, I pull up with something.
How do you know? By the way, guys, the moment you start seeing your trading mistakes, whenever you're trading, just know now you have really become a serious trader. Because sometimes you cannot see those mistakes, especially if you're starting out to trade. But if you start noticing that, yes, a loss happened here because maybe it was an early entry, maybe I didn't really understand structure well, then you have really become a good trader. So if you can't see that, you need to practice more, you need to show up more in the market so that you can tell. There are times you take losses and you know everything was right, because that also happened. Every moment in the market is unique. There are moments we take losses from this market, but everything was right. Your confluences were all right. Your entry was okay. So you also know that maybe this time the market was being the market. There are times we also take on the losses from the market, and you know, you take a look at the chart very well and you do realize this was an early entry. I was trying to chase the market. All those are mistakes, and if you really pay attention, you can easily tell. We are traders. I mean, we all know that there are days when you can execute a trade because you are just chasing the market. You thought the market is leaving you and it will never come back. It all happens. But the more you become better at trading, you can notice all those things. But once you notice them, do your level best not to make those mistakes again. Especially mistakes related to trading psychology, like chasing the trade. I mean, seeing a moment in the market and you hesitate to execute. Once you notice all those things, try to work on that, and you let the losses that really come and you let the losses that come to you whenever you're trading. They are really losses that you couldn't have control on, but things concerning psychology, honestly, we can work on it. But I mean, guys, those mistakes do happen. They do happen. Yeah, there are days when I would really chase the market so bad. I really don't know what was really happening to me. But there are moments I would be executing trades, but just chasing the market. I mean, you see two green candles big with momentum and you like buyers in the market, then you just buy, and the moment you enter like this, the candle closes when it is red and you're like, damn, I wish I just waited a little bit.
Most girls are smart and strong and beautiful. Most girls
Where we are unstoppable.
Most girls are fighting like every day. No two are the same. I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like most girls.
I wanna be like, cause I just celebrating life.
I wanna be like some girls like to keep their physique real private. Some girls
We're just so tight cause it feels so right in.
some girls.
This is the Trading Assembly Traders. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? A new week is coming up, so let me hope you already have your trading plan for the week. Yeah, you have to be setting the trading plan for a week. You know exactly how you want to do it. I gotta win the line.
Most girls are smart and strong and beautiful. Most girls
Ivy, have you ever been to Jamaica? Do you want to take me? Do you want to take me to Jamaica, guys? We're just celebrating life. You're from Jamaica. All right. Good to see you. Good to see you all, guys. This is a trading assembly. Someone comment locked in, because we are locked in for life as long as the markets are still running. I mean, that's a fact. As long as the markets are still opening, we are locked in for life. We're just celebrating life. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. You can always write to me, guys, for all those that want to write to me.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can hold you down like I'm giving lessons in physics. Right. You want a bad bitch like this? Drop it low and pick it up just like this. Yeah. Cup of ace, cup of deuce, cup of Chris. I heal something worth a half a ticket on my wrist. Taking all the liquor straight, never chase that. Never stop like we bringing 88 back. What?
Of course, in a few we are gonna get into the donations. In a few we are getting into the donations. And if you wanna be part of them, if you wanna be part of the participants tonight, there's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Michael, good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys. Welcome to the Trading Assembly. Buyers are really giving us some moves here. Let's see. Okay, it's like we are getting into a pullback. Let's watch out and see.
I've been working, I'm up in here with some change to throw.
I already know I'm in the fast lane from LA to Tokyo. What the? Okay, this is some crazy move here. Thank you, Gus Hard. Thank you, Gus Hard. Much love from here, guys. I love you too. Yeah, we are always locked in. We are always locked in. Someone comment locked in. Benjamin, you're always learning. I mean, that's why we are always here. As long as you're learning something and don't stop on learning, you have to also practice what you're learning. That's how your trading skill is going to grow. Anything you learn, run to the market, look for it. That's how my trading skill really elevated from beginner to where I am. It's just someone talking about something, you run to the market. I mean, you check it out. It's okay. Crazy move. Crazy move. Hi, Gigi, what? Ude. Hi, Gigi, what?
Girl, what you doing? Okay, never mind, it don't matter. Guess what? I did it. Girl, he is not old. Stop. And besides, if he is up in age, girl, that stamina ain't. Okay, I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna start from the beginning.
Guys, I tried all assets. All assets. Like I'm always telling you. I mean, if today I checked the charts and gold was not really moving to what I was anticipating, or even now, if gold start moving in ways that I don't understand, I mean, I can easily just move on to the next pair. Trading shouldn't be so hard that I have to be locked on a single pair. If it's really not giving me the moves that I want, you can easily switch on. Yeah, we are not here to suffer. We are here to just execute. Yeah, that's really what I really base on mainly when I'm picking a pair to trade. I want to see that I can get moves. So if it starts moving crazy, you have an option of switching to another, or you give it some time and you wait for it. But yeah, so it's not only gold that I trade, I also look at other assets. You all know that we're always looking out on other assets. Every night I wanna hit the line. Posting over here. So deep, I never had this feel. So that you could handle me. Guys, I am trading OTC market. OTC market is open 24/7. We are not limited by time on this trading assembly. Yeah, we are not limited by time on this trading assembly. Anytime we feel like we want to really look at the charts, we can easily look at it. More energy than the three of your baby. Better than school, I'll never underestimate it. I know that I could better with time. Can't deny it even on my mind. They get older, they get better with time. Every night I wanna hit that line. Make a bitch come faster than Amazon Prime. Get it, really want it. What in the sellers are these? Oh my god. That really happened so fast. Okay, they are still dropping. Let's see.
Girl, what you doing?
Picture perfect, you need no filter.
Or just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with All my
Let us get more buys as anticipated and see how it goes.
Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Full of equity or nasty. Make sure that you don't need no mentions.
Yeah, you're my only intention
Shout out to your mom and dad
for making you.
staying in the vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a bank, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You gotta be touch, you can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it.
Guys, I am trading binary options. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. I'm on gold OTC chart. My strategy is simple: price action. So all the moves you're seeing me executing, they are based on that strategy. And when it comes to price action, the key things I'm always looking out for in the market is first understanding the market conditions I'm dealing with. Am I dealing with an uptrend? Am I looking at a downtrend? Am I looking at a sideways market? The other thing I'm always looking out for is market structure. Yeah, we don't complicate things. Yeah, looking at market structure. And I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. Yeah, the queue is ready for our donations. The queue is up. Someone comment ready, because in a few we are getting into the nation. Someone comment ready. Who is ready? Koto, thank you. Jimmy Trades, good to see ya. Coffee, good to see ya. Danielle, good to see you. Let us first lock in these buys. These are my only intention. Agathi, good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys. This is a trading assembly, and you know how we've been moving every night, locked in. Justin. Guys, you see buyers are really moving, so let's see how our buys close. They're crazy. Things in life. Guys, I am trading OTC market. It's open 24/7. That's how we've been moving. You know how we do it. Let us first secure our profits for tonight, then we get into the donations. Let us first secure and we get into it. Yeah, guys, let us wish luck to all our participants for tonight, and let us get ready for Daniel. Girls, while you're here, please don't spam comment. Yeah, don't spam comment. Just one comment or two are enough. So we are ready with our first participant. The need is a beauty and the beat who can make my life. Buyers are still moving the market. Yeah, we are not seeing much of the selling momentum yet, so let us watch out and see if we can get a move. I mean, that's how you're supposed to be really analyzing the market when you're really looking at it. You understand the conditions, buyers have been really moving. Yeah, sellers, like they are kicking in. So you start looking out either if you're gonna take a bullish entry or a selling entry. That's how you be analyzing the market, and it is easier for you to execute if you really your mind is processing things like that. Yeah, our first attempt is in. Wow, guys, are you seeing this selling momentum? Oh my god, this was a very good entry, caught on time. Wow, sellers have done it for us. Let me see you type congratulations to Daniel. Let me see you type congratulations to Daniel, guys. One single attempt and it's locked in, and you know how we do it. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Yeah, that drop was really crazy. So let us move on to our next. Anything. Let me see type more congratulations to our first participant. This really moved well. Your enemy, your enemy. Guys, it's a new month. It's a new month. As traders, you can set it as a goal to have a trading plan and things you can really include in your trading plan. How you're going to enter the market, you can include it. You can detail your risk management, your psychology, how you're going to react after a bad trading streak, losing streak. And when you have a trading plan, before you start your trading session every day, you look at that so that your mind is rewired that these are the things I'm supposed to follow when I'm trading. Yeah, trading plans really help a lot if you're struggling, especially with trading psychology. You know, it is really key if your psychology is intact. So let us lock in with our second participant.
She's a beast. I call her karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful, try not to lead her on. Shorty heart is on steroids because her love is so strong. But all the love when you meet her.
First attempt is in. Honestly, trading with a strategy and patiently waiting for a move has never been bad for any trader. So practicing market patience is also key. and patience in the way that you wait for your market to give you a reason to execute according to your strategy. Buyers are really going to the moon. Someone comment to the moon, because that's where buyers are really taking this. Are you ready for perfect man, kindness man? When you see the really cool doctor. When you see the really cool doctor. All right, two attempts are in for our participant. Let me see type congratulations to Pactiller. Yeah, I got that name right. Let me see type congratulations to Pactiller. Yeah, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Like a rapture. When you see the really cool doctor. Great, good to see ya. Deepa, good to see ya. Prince, good to have you. Keep sharing your strategy. Of course, this is a trading assembly and Amore is here to share with you guys. And I also have videos on this channel talking about my strategy, dropping more and more videos. We are not gatekeeping anything. We are here to share. As long as the markets are still open, we are sharing and moving. That's crazy. Even when I tell myself to wait, I always find myself firefighting. By the way, guys, if you really learn patience of waiting for a trade to really come to you, like patience of executing entries that are in line with your strategy, basically, if you just learn patience, market patience, that is very, very key to your trading. Because actually, I think most of my trading losses, those crazy losses, they were coming from lack of patience. I wasn't a bad trader, I was just an impatient trader. That's one thing. That was one thing that really disturbed me so much in my trading. I'm not going to lie. It really did me bad. I mean, and whenever you're really taking those losses, you reach a point and your trading psychology is damaged. So you're going to see a move, you even hesitate to execute, because losses have been so crazy that your psychology is damaged. You think that if you execute, it's gonna get into a loss. Then again, you see what you anticipated is actually where the market really went, and now you're going to feel so bad because you didn't take that trade. So psychology, it is something you have to really work on as a trader. So let us look in for another mover. Now hello photo, saw your photo, spectacular photo, keep it burning, yeah, that's the motto. Pursue your shot. It is something that has happened to you. It has happened to most traders. It has happened to me. Yeah, but the more you're really consistent and you actually see those mistakes, and you know, actually, if you can see that mistake, the next time it happens to you, you're going to try to fight it. And that's what trading is all about. Coming like a boss.
Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand. But I go see the friends that take off every load. One time didn't sit down in a class and we protect only said the road and we go on with the road.
Toast me. Toast.
Going a rise and boast.
Hey, thank you, we needed less. Yeah, thanks, we're really supposed to be thankful.
Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand. But I go see the friends that take off every load. One
We have all been there. It's something that has happened to all. Ah. It is something that you have all done. Honestly, trading is always crazy. But that part of psychology, I think it happens to all. But now those are things that were really happening to me at the beginning of my trading. At least now I know chasing the market is not part of the things I really do these days. Hesitating to execute, because now I know when it comes to trading that losses can happen even when you are right. So you just execute. You execute as long as your confluences are in line. Execute. I have no control after execution. Anything that happens, it has happened. I cannot control what happens after I execute an entry. I be saving more than I be spending, that's what I be on.
I'm a human, I'm not perfect. I know sometimes I be wrong. No, don't give him no more. You're not gonna be able to. I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from me. Put the figures in your business. I do real shit. I drop cash at the dealership. They'll mail you pink slip. She make sure she keep her nails thick.
And a week fix.
When the chillin' that way, help me down. She a real bitch. 100 rounds in a double drum. This a kill take. Marco been in prison for a while.
But I still flip.
I told Brody on the party car, but they still wreck. I don't think nobody around still, but I still check. I don't got 100 million, I can't chill yet, but don't get it misconstrued yet. I get real checks, baby fucking like a porn star. We have real sex, have nobody in our business. We take little checks, and she like when I perform, so I fuck her with my chains.
Guys, just one single attempt. Let's see how it goes.
I had to get rich for these partners, still with the same folks. And I can't be with none of you niggas not in the same boat. You never gonna get
Oh my, that was really close. Damn. Oh my god. Let us refund and try again. Let us refund and try again. You know how we do it if I take an L? If I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let's do that. If I like, let us spend money. Oh my god.
To show a Fiji I was cool. And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but fuck it, it was something to do. I'm living out in LA. I drive a sports car just to I'm a real big baller cause I made $1 million and I spend it on girls and shit. But you don't wanna be high like me. Never really know.
I am trading binary options, and currently we are doing donations. I have to tell you, traders, donations are not financial investments. They are purely for trading and learning purposes. If you want to be part of the participant, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. There's also a link down in the description for my Telegram. You can write to me. You can write to me and I'll guide you. Thank you, my dear. All right, let's see if our patience is paying off. Wow, we're already getting momentum from sellers.
A reminder of a pop song people forgot. And I can't keep a girl, no. As soon as the sun comes up.
Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations to Luminex. Let me see you type congratulations to Luminex. 4 attempts at, oh, 1 attempt is locked in. Yeah, I thought so. And you know how we do it, I'm not saying congratulations. No. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. No. On to the next.
I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cool.
Keep looking at the hey, guys. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. Much love from here, guys. Much love. Thanks for showing me the love. Much love. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. On to our next participant. Just 2 items. Let's see. I always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. All you ever did was
I put you high up in the sky, and now you're not coming down. It slowly turned, you let me burn, and now we're ashes on the ground.
Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you.
I can never lie, running for my life.
I will always want you.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never get so hard in love. All I wanted was to break
Let us look for a move. The market is moving well, guys. It's like buyers are kicking in. Let us watch out and see.
Never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in. And instead of using force, I guess I should have let you in. I never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in. I guess I should have let you in.
Don't you ever say Alright, guys, first attempt we have locked in well. So let us get a second one. Mosh. Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. We've got some crazy rejection here. Oh my god. I'm sorry about that. Our second attempt has been taken out. Sorry about that. Decline. Next time better. Next time better. DJ Systems, good to see ya. Good to see you. Someone is asking, do you analyze before trading or you just trade? Guys, of course, any trader, you do market analysis because, and actually, even when I'm on these charts currently right now, I am trading while analyzing the market. That means I'm not going to just execute a buy or a sell. I have a reason why I'm executing a particular entry, and it is all based on my strategy, which is price action. I understand that I'm dealing with a bullish market condition right now. I look at market structure. If it's still confirming bullish, I mean the market is trending upwards, continuously breaking structure to the upside, I have two options to look out for: continuation entries based on in the market direction, or to take pullback entries. That's it. The whole time, that is what is going on in my mind. That's what is going on in my mind. And as a trader, that's exactly what you should also be looking forward to do the whole time. You have to continuously, your mind has to continuously be locked in on the charts, and every price action that is happening, you're trying to get the explaining to it. Then you, based on that idea and anticipation, to execute that trade. I mean, you cannot just be seeing red and green on the charts and you execute based on that. You're continuously analyzing the charts. I'm seeing someone, you want to do a donation. Guys, if you want to be part of the donation, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Donations are not financial investment. They are purely for trading and learning purposes. So who is ready? We lock in on our next participant, Talia. Market is closed. I am trading OTC market. It's open 24/7. This is a trading assembly. We are never limited by time. We trade OTC markets. Open 24/7. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it.
You're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. She got that's why
Love her. Won't you come and spend a little time? So guys, we are in our first attempt, and you can clearly see this is a pull-back move, and it's already going in our direction.
I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize. But to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire. And yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with a sling. This very moment, I bring. Put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring. And I will retire with the crown. Yes. No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed.
Yes.
Clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone.
Second attempt, it's already moving in our direction, guys.
Southside Jamaica, Queens and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me. Ain't pity cocky, we just vindicated. Let's believe that what we done is
So just one attempt to go.
This night just remind me of everything they deprived me of.
Ramiz, good to see you, Ramiz.
We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of. That I can have this moment for life. For life. For life. In this moment I just feel so alive. 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 I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life. For life. This is my moment, I just feel so alive. Alive.
Okay, guys, we are in. This is already moving. Let's see how it goes. Okay, 3 attempts are locked in. 3 attempts are locked in. Let me type congratulations, guys, to Talia. This bullish trend has done us well. Can you all see that? It has done us well. Let me see type congratulations to our participant.
Be very afraid. These other rappers getting bodied and carried away. You get me and Nicky getting married today. And now you bitches that be hating can catch a bouquet. Ooh, yeah, you a star in my eyes. You and all them white girls, party of 5. Are we drinking a little more? I can hardly decide. I can't believe we really made it. I'm partly surprised. I swear that this one for the books, man. I swear this shit is as fun as it looks, man. I'm really trying to make it more than what it is. Cause everybody dies, but not everybody lives.
That I can have this moment for life. For life. For life. In this moment I just feel so alive. Alive. Alive.
On to our next. Guys, I want to see more congratulations to our participant.
This is my moment, I just feel so alive. Alive. This is my moment. I waited all my life. I could tell it's time. Think no way.
Okay, sellers are starting to kick in, so this is a bearish pullback until it takes out the most recent strong low. Then it will cease to be a pullback and it turns into a structure change, or the market shifting structure from a bullish market to a bearish market. So let us watch out and see. All right, our first attempt is in. Let's see how it goes. I'll be away. Boom, 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 baby, super bass. Nico, good to see ya. Henry, good to see you. Wow, look at this bullish momentum here, guys. Of course, this had to lock in, this had to close in a plus. Boom, 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 baby, super bass. There's a link in the description for the platform that I'm trading on. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, traders. Let us lock in another attempt. Guys, OTC markets, it is OTC market because it's open 24/7, so that means you're not limited by time. You can easily trade as long as you're just ready to execute. Yeah, basically that's it. But you got my hobby. Traders, you're free to ask any trading question. Tell me, do we have any traders that locked in today and executed any entries? You have to show up every day. And also weekends are good days if you have time to really back test your strategy. Without anything disturbing you. Oh, this is looking beautiful for me, guys. Okay, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see, type congratulations to Barbara. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participants right away. Right away. Quality. The race is to the swift. You get it? Yeah.
All I can think about is your booties. Y'all riding me like some spookies. Y'all saying y'all never do this, but tonight y'all doing it to me. And I said, oh, my hands all on her body. Try and control it, can't control it when she's off that. When she's off that body, when she's rolling that body.
Traders, you're free to ask any trading question because why not? We are always here to learn. Yeah, first attempt is in. The strategy that I'm using is price action. Wow. It's in already. The strategy I use is price action. And when it comes to price action, you're just looking out for a few confluences, which is understanding the market direction. Are you dealing with an uptrend, downtrend, sideways market? We all know if you know those market conditions, you can easily execute because, if I'm in a downtrend, I can take continuation entries as sells or reversal entries as buys. And the opposite is true for an uptrend. And if I'm dealing with a sideways market, I'm going to look ahead to buy at the top of the zone to sell at the top of the zone and buy at the bottom of the zone. We all know a sideways market picks a particular zone and it bounces in between there. So it is always best to trade it like that. Of course, still the idea of price action still applies to a sideways market in the way that you're looking at candlestick patterns, giving you a confirmation when to take a bullish entry and a bearish entry. Princess say I keep her check.
She was a bad man, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, I'm a wreck.
Princess say I keep her check. She was a bad man, nevertheless.
Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip. Someone took
Guys, when it comes to trading, any trader is free to have any type of strategy. My strategy is price action. Someone out there could be trading with another strategy. All you have to do is to lock in with that strategy. So here I'm trading with price action. It's what I'm applying on the charts. But you can trade any strategy. Actually, traders, comment strategies that you use in trading. What are your trading strategies besides price action? Which other strategies traders out there are you using? Oh, we are all price action traders. I need to know. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Fight for my mind when I walk back down.
You know you're scared of the unknown. You don't want to be alone. I know I always come and go, but it's out of my control. You'll be left in the dust.
Let us move on to our next I think it might be too much. Let us move on to our next. Yeah, the sunflower. Oh my god. Traders, tell me, which strategies do you trade with? Let us talk about it, because one thing I know about trading, there are very many trading strategies. And like I always tell you, even you as a trader, you can be trading with price action, but since you're really consistently in the market, you can also refine price action and add in your own things that you're seeing from the charts. That's the beauty of looking in. I mean, if you're looking at the charts every day, there are some things that you're going to see yourself as a trader, and you can include it in your trading strategy. Hey. You guys are crazy. What do you mean, Shansa? What do you mean by that? anyways, let us look in and get another move for our next trader, for our next participant. Penny was speaking try. And 4 or 5 seconds on Friday.
And we got 3 more days to Friday. I'm trying to
Make it home by
Monday
Monday.
morning. I swear I wish somebody
You
would
would
tell
tell
me,
me.
ooh, that's all I want. And I know that I'm tonight thinking, how could I be so selfish? But you called about 1,000 times, wondering where I've been. Now I know that you're tonight thinking, how could I be so selfish? But I just can't apologize.
I hope you understand.
If I go to jail tonight, promise you'll pay my bill.
Let us watch and get a move.
They wanna buy my
Patience is
time.
key whenever you're trading.
That just ain't up for sale. See, all of my kindness is taken for weakness. Now I'm 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. Just trying to
First attempt is in, guys. We are trying to get these sales. Market is giving us structure of sellers, so we're getting this. Yay! First attempt is locked in.
I should've stayed with you last night instead of going down to find trouble.
Oh my god.
That's just trouble.
I think I run away sometimes.
Whenever I get too vulnerable, that's not your fault. See, I wanna stay the whole night. I wanna lay with you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside. Oh, heaven knows I've tried. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Wish that I could let
Yeah, this is another continuation trade. Let's see how it goes. Already giving us movement in our direction as anticipated. Let me see, type congratulations to May Dory. I start trying.
And every time I push away, I really wanna say that
You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant. Everything goes to the participant.
I wanna lay with you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside.
My hands are never shy. I wish that I can let you love.
Wish that I can let you love me. Wish that I can let you love. Wish
That I can let you love me. Say,
what's the matter with me? Oh, I wish that I can let you love. Wish that I can let you love me now. I wish, I wish, I wish, I wish,
on to our next. Traders, you're free to ask any trading question. You're free to ask any trading question. I mean, we are always here to learn. Guys, this is my strategy price action. How many traders? I mean, the first thing you're always looking out for when you're trading with price action, it is understanding the market conditions. So how many traders can comfortably identify the 3 different market conditions? Someone comment. How many traders can easily identify an uptrend, downtrend, and a sideways market when you're trading? On charts, not in words, not in theory. How many traders can do that? Because that is the first step if you're really gonna trade with price action, understanding that those 3 market conditions. I'm using Keltina channel and I'm using it with its default settings.
we were staying in Paris to get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out on the terrace.
Sheber, you're welcome, my darling. Good to have you. Good to have you. This is a trading assembly. We are already at 8 p.m. UK time. Yeah, all you have to do is to lock in. If we go down, then we go down together. So first attempt is in.
Get away from your parents, you look so proud. Standing there with a fountain and a cigarette, posting pictures of yourself on the internet, out on the terrace. We live in the era of the small town.
This is my 4th year in trading. I mean, I've been a trader since 2022, but I'm locked in for life. Locked in for life. We go down together. Just one attempt to go. One attempt to go. If we go down, then we go down together.
We were staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris.
All right, 2 attempts are locked in. 2 attempts are locked in. Let me see. Type congratulations to our participant, Rofines. Let me see. Type congratulations, guys. More congratulations to our participants. And if you want to be part of the donations tomorrow, it is simple. You can use the donation link down in the description, then you will surely be on the queue. You just subscribe. That's nice. That's nice. I mean, more videos are coming up about my strategy. More videos are coming up. Crystal, thank you, thank you, thank you. If we go down, then we go down together. Guys, let me to type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. And all participants where I didn't go well. Next time better. Yeah, next time we'll do better. So, yeah, guys, patience is really key, and in the man of trading, it comprises of you waiting for an entry that is in line with your strategy, also executing when you see a move without hesitating, and being patient enough not to chase the market if you have missed out the move. You know, like the platform that I'm using, it's Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link down in the description for it. Amora is here every day, 8 p.m. UK time. Make sure you mark your attendance on the trading assembly, guys. Yeah, and we'll be moving the market. You can have your hands right now. Yeah, there's a link down in the description for my Telegram channel. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram channel, guys. You can join a community of traders and you don't miss out on any communication I pass on. And guys, I have a Signal group. All you have to do is to write to me via Telegram. There's a link down in the description. I'll add you to the Signal group right away. I'll add you to the Signal group right away. If you want a cool bot for trading, there's a link down in the description for Skynet trading bots. Yeah, you can write Skynet support team and you get a free bot at that. Even though that she got selfish ways. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. I love you so much. We catch up tomorrow same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Bye.